हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। सो आई कैन आई आस्क यू, हाउ इज़ द जोश? डेफिनेटली योर जोश इज हाई. Already the final exams are going on, and tomorrow is St. Agnes standard 2 maths exam tomorrow to be conducted. That is, so I was helping one of my students who is in standard 2. His name is Anvay Das. I was helping him to tell the time. I was teaching him how to tell the time. So I thought, why not share with my YouTube audience as well, so that it will be a help for them. And yes, one more thing, friends, if you do like my video, please like and share with your friends. And what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you, so that it will be your help, and I'll get a new content to upload for. Yes, so let's begin with, so here is the first one. Yes, Anvay, tell me, what is this time? What is the time, Anvay?
This time is 6:30.
Half past? No, the small hand is in which?
3.
3. So what is the time?
3:30.
Yes. So the very first one, I hope you can see. The very first one means the small hand is in 3, is at 3, and the long hand is at 6. So it is 3:30. Next one, Anvay. What is the time?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Yes. So the next one, both the hands are at 12. So the second one that is the 12 o'clock. Okay, Anvay, tell me the third one. Tell me the third one.
Quarter to 9.
No, it is quarter past, na? 15 minutes past 9.
Quarter past.
So this is the third one. I hope I am very much clear in showing. This is quarter past 9. Quarter past 9 means 15 minutes already crossed after 9. So it is quarter past 9. Next, Anvay, what is the time? The small hand is at 1 and the big hand is at 6. So what is the time?
1:30.
Very good. So the next one is 1:30. This is 1:30. Next. What is the time next?
Next is
The long hand is at 8. So how many minutes left to 11?
11. 20 minutes to 11.
Yes. That is next one, the fifth one. This is 20 minutes to 11. Just 20 minutes to 11. Next. Small hand is at 11 and the big hand is at 2. So what is the time?
10.
Good. Say.
10 minutes to 12.
Past. No, past. 10 minutes past 11, na? It is 11:10. So 11:10 minutes, 10 minutes past 11. So the next one is 10 minutes. I hope I am clear. This is 10 minutes past 11. 10 minutes already crossed after 11. So that is 10 minutes past 11. Yes, let me tell you, let me clarify it once again. You know that how to explain you the time. Time is a big circle, like I'll show you by drawing the diagram.
अभी उसको लेने आ गया
हाँ, भेज रहे हैं. So let me show you by a circle. So here is a circle. Here I'm trying to explain you the time. Suppose this is the clock. This is the clock, and here so we have the two hands. We have the two hands. We have the two hands here. That is the small hand and the big hand. The small hand and the big hand, wherever the small hand is, that shows the time, and the long hand shows the minutes. And we also have a third hand, which is called the second hand, which is a little thinner and a little shorter than the long hand. So with this long hand is the minutes hand, this is the hour hand, and another one we have, which is called the second hand, the seconds, which shows the seconds. It is shorter than the minute hand, and it is longer than the hour hand, and it is quite thinner. And with and we all know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, and in each minute, that is in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so fine. So how to tell the time? So this is what I try to explain, that how to tell the when it is half past, when it is already half past, like I have shown here. When it is already half past, when it is already half past, then it is called as, that is आधे घंटे बीत चुके हैं. That is 30 minutes has already crossed. So that is 30 half past. Then it is half past 3. When it is, suppose the minute hand is at 3, both, that is both the hour hand and the minute hand is at 3, then it will be quarter past 3. Then it will be quarter past 3. Suppose it would have been at 4, the hour hand would have been at 4 and the minute hand would have been at 3, then it will be quarter past 4. So when the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at any other time, so it is called as, always whenever the 15 minutes crosses, it is called as quarter. Whenever half an hour is crossed, it is called as half past. And when it is about to, when it crosses the 30 minutes, and it comes to 37 and it comes to 35 and it comes to 35, then we start calling it as, or we start telling as 25 minutes to 3, 25 minutes to 4, 25 minutes to 5, and suppose it is at 8, then we say 20 minutes to, so suppose the minute hand is at 8, then we start telling 20 minutes to the next hour which is about to, suppose it is already 9, 9th hour is going on, then we say 20 minutes to 10, 15 minutes to 10, 25 minutes to 10. Now when it is all 15 minutes left, when just 15 minutes is left to any hour, then we call it quarter to 10, quarter to 11, quarter to 10. Suppose it is the 9th hour going on, then we say quarter. If 15 minutes is left, then we say quarter to 11, quarter to 10, quarter to 11. This way we address it. So this is how we, and suppose when it is when both the hand is at 12, both the hands is at, suppose the hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12, then it is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at any other timings, then it is said as 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So most of all, here you have to remember is the quarter. When just 15 minutes has crossed, it is called quarter past, and 15 minutes left is called quarter to, and when it is already half an hour past, then we call it as quarter past. And when it is 25 minutes left or 20 minutes left, then we say 20 minutes to, 20 minutes to, 25 minutes to, 10 minutes to. But when it is 15, then we say quarter minutes to. So the funda of 15 you have to remember. Then when it is 3:15, it is quarter past. When it is 15 minutes to, then we say that is quarter to. And when it is exactly half, then we say half past. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Yes, when it is 20, suppose it is 3:20, then we say 20 minutes past 4. Suppose we say that is the minute hand is at 4 and the hour hand is at 3, then we say it is 20 minutes past 3. 20 minutes past 3, 25 minutes past 3, 10 minutes past 3, 5 minutes past 3. But when it is at 3, then we say quarter. This is the panda that you have to remember. I hope I have trained my child, I have trained my student very well in the timings. So he is making no mistakes, and I have just taken his test. He has got 10 out of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 15 questions I gave him, out of which he has got 15 out of 15. I hope you have also trained your children and your students very well in telling the time. And tomorrow is the maths paper, so I hope they will do well. Okay, and if not, you can take help of my YouTube channel and take help of this video and train them in telling the time. Okay, Anvay, are your concepts of time very much clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then you will do tomorrow well in the exam?
Yes.
Okay, then best of luck, Anvay, for your exam tomorrow.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, then say bye to my audience.
Bye.
And what do we say? क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो से बढ़ेगा इंडिया, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. से प्रॉपर्ली अनवर, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा. से लाइक दिस, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye. Study well. Best of luck for your exam. See you soon in the next video.